Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we are going to check out the Eufy Water and Freeze Sensor. This is IP65 rated and has a 2-year battery life. Inside the box, you will get a quick start guide and the sensor itself. On one side here, we have the sync button. And on the bottom are the two contact sensors. Twist the front face to open it up, and this is where we are going to put in the battery. It comes with a lithium battery, CR123A, which is good for 2 years. Let's peel off the plastic, and we are going to put this into the sensor. And close the lid, lining up the arrow from unlock to lock position. Open up the Eufy app, click the plus sign to add the sensor. Scroll down and choose Alarm System. And click on the Water and Freeze Sensor. Click Next. Now this needs the Homebase 2 or the Homebase 3 to set up. And I'll choose Homebase 3. Click Next. Press the sync button until the status light blinks. Now I have to get the sensor closer to the Homebase. Name the sensor. Time to test this. So I have some water here, and first in the security tab in the app, in the Homebase 3, to get notifications, it needs to be in the home or away modes. In the settings, you will see your devices, and if you scroll down, you will see the sensor. I just checked notification only, but you can also set it to trigger the Homebase alarm or the siren if you have one. Same thing on the away mode. I just turned on notifications and not the alarm. Now I'll put the Homebase to home mode for this test. So let's drop the sensor in water. You'll see the notification is pretty quick. Now I'll toss this inside the freezer and we'll see if it will get a notification. Yep, got a notification of freezing temp. Now if you open up the app, you will see the status of the sensor. Only thing I noticed is that the loading of the history of the events takes a while to load up. And it is not showing the latest freezing event yet. And this is my second test, by the way. On the settings, these are your options. And notification is based on what you set in the security tab, which I showed earlier. And going back, now you see that the event history is now updated. So this sensor works pretty good. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.